Here's PNR status checking option. You need to enter your 10-digit PNR number. Then click on Get Status button. Here you can see about train detail and your ticket status. Here is train timetable. Now enter your train name or train number. Here you can see about train, like number of stops, total duration, classes, routes, etc. This is running status. First enter your train number or train name. Then click on Search Train. Now select your date, then you can see like where is your train, when will the train reach the station, timing, etc. Next is seat availability. First enter your train name or train number. Then click on Search Train. Now fill your detail according to your journey. Then click on Seat Check. Here now you can see seat is available or not. Last is station arrival or departure. Now enter station name. First one is necessary and second one is optional. Then click on Search Train. Here you can see when will the train reach the station and train is delay or something.